Hello students, we were studying Rawls law. In that this graph was left. Today we will study this. In that simple it is. देखो ये x2 है मोल फ्रैक्शन, ये है वेपर प्रेशर. ठीक है, इसमें हमें देखना क्या है कि वेपर प्रेशर एंड मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ एन आइडियल. सी इट इज़ रिटन हियर दैट द मोल फ्रैक्शन vapor pressure and mole fraction of an ideal solution at constant temperature is constant. The dashes line 1 and 2, ये dash line है first और ये second, represent the partial pressure of the components. partial pressure है P1 and P2. It can be seen from plot that P1 and P2 are directly proportional to x1 and x2. ये P1 और ये P2 यह डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू x1 एंड 2. मतलब कि ये P1 है जो नीचे की ओर आ रहा है. ठीक है, इट इज़ डिक्रीजिंग विद दैट द मोल फ्रैक्शन इज़ ऑल्सो डिक्रीजिंग, यानी दे आर डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल. ये जो P2 है दैट इज़ इंक्रीजिंग विद दैट द मोल फ्रैक्शन इज़ ऑल्सो, दिस इज़ इंक्रीजिंग एंड मोल फ्रैक्शन इज़ ऑल्सो इंक्रीजिंग. दिस पोर्शन, सी आई विल यूज़ अनदर कलर. ये P1 है, it is decreasing and with that the mole fraction is also decreasing. So we can say that they are directly proportional to each other. That is shown in this graph. Today we will continue, that is Rawls law as a special case over Henry's law. We know that according to Rawls law, what is Rawls law? P is equal to P1 not x. We will mark it as 1. And Henry's law, P is equal to partial pressure P is equal to KHX according to Henry's law. Now, according equation 1 and 2, it is such that the molecular formula and partial pressure are similar in both the cases. Hence, the Henry's constant KH will be is equal to, this KH is equal to the P1 naught. Molecular formula and partial pressure, they are similar in both the cases. Hence, Henry's constant KH will be equal to vapor pressure of pure component. Rawls law can be considered as a special case over the Henry's law. What is similar? Molecular formula and partial pressure are similar. That is why they both are having the similarity, and they can be considered as a special case. Now, another is, see, vapor pressure of a solid in liquid solution. Okay, let us take a pure solvent in which having enough vapor pressure is denoted by P naught. When non-volatile solid is added to solvent, the vapor pressure of a pure solvent is decreased. देखो water ले लो, उसके अंदर stones add करोगे. For example, solid it is non-volatile, or stones या फिर sand you take is added to vapor pressure of a solvent, it decreases because the solution, the solid particles is occupying space at the surface. water के अंदर आप sand add करोगे, it will occupy the space. As a result, the vapor pressure decreases. The vapor pressure decreases. The decrease in vapor pressure depends upon the number of particles of a solid is independent of its nature. देखो ये एक बीकर या कुछ टैंक लिया हुआ है, सॉल्यूशन के अंदर आप लोग ने कुछ सॉलिड ऐड किया, इट विल डिक्रीज द वेपर प्रेशर, राइट. दैट इज़ व्हाट द वेपर प्रेशर ऑफ सॉलिड इन लिक्विड सॉल्यूशन. नाउ सी दिस वी completed. Another is colligative property. It is a property of a solution which depends upon the number of particles of solid. It is dependent of a nature of particles. ये learn करना है आपको. That is, it is a property of a solution which depends upon the number of particles of solute. Number of particles के ऊपर solute के ऊपर depend करेगा. It is independent of nature of particle. There are 4 types of colligative properties. Elevation in boiling point, depression in freezing point, osmotic pressure, and relative lowering of vapor pressure. These are the 4 colligative properties. We will further we will discuss tomorrow one by one. Okay, thank you.